All right, ladies, welcome back. So, who's ready for the next challenge? Me. There we go. Finally. About time I get an answer. I get an actual answer instead of complaining. Oh, wait, he's not here. That makes it even better. Anyways, Catbot, you care to explain what this challenge is? Meow. 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 Yep. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Here we go. Ah! All right, y'all. Welcome to the BMEG bowling alley. Me and Catbot will be over here. Now, before we start, let's determine the order, shall we? Why are we using colored dice? So we can know who rolled what. So like you're gonna be rolling the red, William Chris is gonna be rolling the yellow, Kelly's gonna be rolling the green, and Reese McBlocks is rolling the blue. All right. So go ahead and roll the dice. Whoever has the highest number will go first. Oh yeah, if there's any duplicate numbers, we're redoing the whole thing just to save time. And redo. Okay, the order has been decided. Okay, first up is Kelly, then Lily_S, then Warrior Queen, then Reese McBlocks. And there will be 5 rounds. So that means y'all will get five turns each. Alright, round number 1. Kelly, it is your turn. Please bowl. Just do it. Okay? Don't have to tell me twice. Oh. Alright, you got 2 pins. Alright, try again. Oh, you got a spare. Yay. Alright, Lily_S, it is now your turn. Man, all the contestants are women, huh? Jeez, this place is looking like a... Don't say it! Okay, fine, I won't say it. Jeez, that is wild. Okay, can y'all just let me bowl? No one is physically stopping. I said let me bowl. Shut up. You got 2 pins. Try again. Okay. Boo! What was that? Whatever. Alright, Warrior Queen, your turn. You got 1 pin. Try again. Not bad. You got 2 pins. Alright, Reese McBlocks, it's now your turn. Please bowl or whatever. Gotta concentrate. Oh, you got... I don't even know if that pin back there counts as being knocked over. You got 9 pins. Alright, Reese McBlocks, try again. You did it! Spare! Alright, that was round 1. On to round 2. Warrior Queen, you go. Break! You did it! Yay! Okay, Lily_S, your turn. Go. Oh, go. Be patient. Boo! What was that? You got 0. Try again. Boo! Okay, Warrior Queen, it's your turn. Okay. I can do this. Strike! You did it! Yes! Alright, Reese McBlocks, it's your turn. What was that? Try again. Okay, you got 9 pins. I'm not counting that 1 pin right there. It's still standing up. Wait, but those other 2 pins... Whatever. Alright, we are now on to round 3, and so far, you all suck. Except for Kelly. You're doing great. Thank you. All right, well, just gonna pick up this ball and could be better. You only got 2 pins. All right, try again. Here we go. Yeah. Spare. You got a spare. Oh, yeah. All right, William underscore, it's your turn. Please don't suck this time. Oh, that would have counted as at least 1, but no, you suck! Try again. Okay, that 1 pin is still standing up, so I'm gonna count that as 8. You got 8 pins. Okay, I guess that's better than nothing. I'll take it. Alright, Warrior Queen. Please pick up that bowling ball and please bowl. What if I kick it? Whatever you feel like, just as long as you at least try to hit those pins. Well done, you got 6 pins. Alright, try again. Spare! Yes! Alright, Reese McBlocks, go ahead and bowl. What was that? Try again. You got 6 pins. Okay, round number 4, and I do believe Kelly is in the lead. Followed by, I don't know, Warrior Queen, Reese McBlocks, and Lillian Disgrace. I don't really know how bowling results, I don't know fully on how bowling results work. Kelly, just bowl. Okay. Steve-ike! Why do you say it like that? All right, Lillian Disgrace, why don't you take that ball and roll it towards the pins if you can, you freaking idiot. You know you don't gotta be so rude. Finally, Lillian Disgrace, you're getting somewhere. You got 4 pins. All right, try again. I get it. And of course, it was too good to be true. You got 0. All right, Warrior Queen, can you do it? Steve-ike! Okay, Reese McBlocks, it's your turn. Steve! Alright, y'all, this is the final round. Make every pin count. Alright, let me just, if y'all don't... Okay. Warrior Queen, your turn. I'm not Warrior Queen, I'm Kelly. Right, my bad. Kelly, your turn. Steve-ike! That's a double. Double Steve-ike. Why does he say it like that? Alright, Lillian Disgrace, you have to at least either get a strike or a spare. Come on, at least something to make a comeback, even though it's impossible from this point on. Anyways, just go at this point. Just go. Do I count that? I'm counting that. You got a Steve. Okay, Warrior Queen, it's your turn. Steve-ike! That's a double. Alright, Reese McBlocks, you're the last one up. Alright, say it with me. Thank you for saying it with me. Anyways, this is the last time I'm gonna say this. This. Steve-ike! Alright, you all bowled great. Let's go back to the stage and determine the results. Alright, y'all, we're back. My throat is kind of worn out from yelling out Steve-ike, so you all bowled well. But I'm looking at the results here. Actually, let's just show y'all the results. Look at this. Yeah, so there can only be one winner, and that's you, Kelly. Oh yeah, I won. And what that means is everybody here, except for Kelly, unless you want to, will meet me here tonight for elimination time. Okay, yep. Just come on, ladies. Vote someone out, or don't. Just skip. Sorry, Lily_S, but you kind of suck. You have to go. I don't even know how many times we skip voted, but let's do it again. Why don't we? Yeah, I'm voting skip, in case it wasn't obvious. Oh man. Oh, part of me wants to vote Lily_S because of her poor performance, but I don't want to repay her like this. I feel conflicted now. Do I skip or? Oh wait, she already won a season. Lily_S, I'm sorry. I'm voting you. All right. Catbot, tally up the votes.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, thank God Skip didn't win because, like, I'm pretty sure we've seen enough of the wheel. Lily_S, you're out of here. I'm sorry, Lily_S. No, really, it's fine. I've already won a season, so my time has come. Warrior Queen, win for me and Cindy. And even if you don't, that's fine too. There's always next season. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. Still, don't yell. Yeah, you know, it's fine. I've come to terms with it. Go ahead and eliminate Lily_S. I don't hate you. It's just, no, it's fine. It's fine. Go ahead. I'm ready. All right? So, is this whole lesbian thing, is that your whole personality? Whoever's recording this is trying their best to not do that, but I think they're failing miserably, and it's just, and like, offensive stereotypes and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Yeah, enough about that talk. Get off the stage, because I gotta end the episode. Get off. Go. Shoot. Gotta end the episode. Jeez. Man. First, all of the voice-acted contestants get eliminated, now all of the all-star contestants get eliminated. Now we're just left with 3 contestants. I don't really know a way to describe them. Who do you think will win? This is the beginning of the end for Banana Man Elimination Game Show Season 3. Yeah, I apologize in advance if there was any offensive stereotypes about lesbians that I accidentally put into the show. Reason why I say accidentally is because, like, I didn't mean to offend anyone.